Hi, good evening. My name is Mayank Dikshit. Uh, this is my second year with Smart India Hackathon, which undoubtedly is the biggest hackathon in the world. Uh, this year, I'm playing the role of a vigilance officer, and as a vigilance officer, my primary responsibility is around governance, making sure all the guidelines and all the practices are being followed well across the fabric of the event. The role also entails guiding the teams, guiding mentors, and the jury. It's kind of a building that not only the trust but being the success officer for everyone who is involved in this event. Uh, with a theme of no problem is too big and no idea is too small, at the heart of Smart India Hackathon, it's essentially about two things. First, inculcating a culture of product innovation, and second, building a mindset of problem solving. The first three editions of Smart India Hackathon, which started in year 2017, has been very successful in creating and promoting a culture of innovation and out of box thinking in young minds across engineering colleges throughout the length and breadth of the country. SIS 2020 has been very special. For the first time, this event had to go virtual. Due to the unprecedented COVID 19 situation, it is phenomenal to pull off an event of this stature. And I think kudos to the entire team behind this event, Ministry of Human Resources and Development, AICTE, Persistent Systems, I4C, and all the colleges and students themselves. It was a pleasure to interact with the students, evaluators, and the jury. I think the whole atmosphere was very was filled with enthusiasm, high spirits. It was very infectious atmosphere. This event not only created an opportunity for students across the country to collaborate with each other, sitting virtually at their homes or in their colleges, and they picked up threads of some of the collaboration tools like Slack, which probably a lot of them had never used, and it was wonderful to see how they were able to harness the power of these collaboration tools sitting remotely. Some of them, or rather many of them, were not even knowing or had used uh, platforms like GitHub, where they could check in their code. But right by the time we were into day two and day three, the students were extremely comfortable, and all their code check-ins were being done seamlessly. They were able to do their code merges. So it's wonderful to see them use these kind of technologies, right? Because as we move forward, this is something they will have to, or they would rather get exposed as part of their professional journey. Uh, at the end of the day, it was all about solving the damn problem, and I think it was wonderful to see uh, great teamwork, great enthusiasm, and the hunger in these students to make a difference, make an impact, and solve some of the pressing problems faced by the nation. Uh, it was indeed wonderful to see how everyone collaborated together, uh, and it kind of creates a very promising culture. And this platform acts as a funnel for Smarter India. I would like to thank everyone involved in this event, and also would like to take this opportunity to thank for having me as part of this event. It's been a very enriching experience. I myself learned so many things from these young students, and it kind of gives you a kick when you interact with them. It's wonderful to see how they think differently, how they want to solve some of the problems in their own ways, and I think this is auguring very well for our nation. Thank you so much.